Hey craft lovers, my name is Raina. I work for the Western Sullivan Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cute little origami notebook. So all you're going to need for this project is one sheet of loose leaf paper, some glue. You can use regular Elmer school glue if you have it. You're going to need a pencil, some scissors, and a ruler. And if you want, you can get some pretty paper or some cardstock to use as the cover. That's up to you. All right, let's get started. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to just fold our paper in half. And then we are going to fold it again in half. We're going to open it up. And then we're going to fold it horizontal in half. And then we're going to fold it one more time. Now open it up. Now what we're going to do, we are going to take our ruler. We are going to draw lines. I'm going to show you just in a minute what I mean. So this is what I meant by zigzag lines. So what I have here is a line here, here, and here. What we're doing is we're going to keep this space open, this space open, and this space open. You're not going to draw a line for that last square. Okay, now we're going to cut those lines. Okay, so this is what I meant by zigzag. It's going to end up in a zigzag formation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just start folding them. This. It's going to be like an accordion fold. And then with this last piece here, I'll flip it over. I'm going to glue this piece here. I'm going to bring it over top, just like that. And that's how simple it is. So there's your book. Now to make a cover. Okay, so you're going to get another colored paper. We're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to fold it horizontal. We're going to do it the vertical way one more time. Fold it. And then you can open it back up. And open back up. And we're just going to cut out just the top part here. So it's going to be these two squares that I'm going to cut out. All right, so there's my cover. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue onto the cover. Get it around there. I'm going to place my book right in the middle seam, or right in the middle fold there. And you can lay it down, fold that over. Now we're going to take our two flaps here. We're going to put some glue on them. And then we're going to fold those in. You're going to do the same with the other side. There you go. There's your little notebook. If you want, you can draw a little smiley face on it, or... So that was a super fast way on how to make a little mini notebook. This is a really fun thing you can do with kids as well, because it's so easy. You only need one piece of paper. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for our next project. We will be making origami butterflies. Thank you guys. Bye.